If you want to change your location on Facebook, whether it's your current city or country settings, this quick guide will help you do it step by step. First, open the Facebook app or go to the website and log into your account. Now, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture. Next, scroll down to the Edit Profile section. Here, you'll see options like current city or places you've lived. Tap on it and you can easily update your location by typing your new city or country. Once done, make sure to save the changes. Now, if you want to change your Facebook country location for settings like Marketplace or ads, go to the menu and open Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. From here, look for options like language and region or location settings, depending on your app version. Sometimes Facebook automatically tracks your location based on your IP address, so changing your device location or using a different network may also affect your Facebook location settings. So, yeah, that's how you can change location on Facebook, update your Facebook location settings, and even adjust your Facebook country location easily.